This is a very important graph that, this really goes to show you just how little people are searching for the term adult daycare compared to assisted living and home care. And you can see from like 2004 to 2022, and I have a video coming out on this with a much more in-depth explanation. But the crazy part is you can see how assisted living and home care have both become more popular. And the crazy part is you see in 2020, when assisted living was like talk of the town, and people, my point is the media outlets were sharing all of this information about assisted living because this was like the big talk of the town, like people not being able to see their loved ones, and assisted living facilities having outbreaks, like, so people were searching for this term like a lot, and you can see that spike that happened in March of 2020 in kind of that time frame. And then if you look at adult daycare, which is the yellow line, you see hardly anything. And so the hard part about this is that it's not that paid advertising will solve this problem. Only awareness and like a grassroots effort of branding and marketing and shaking hands and building relationships will solve this problem, because you have to create a network effect of people that are aware that adult daycare even exists, so that they would even go and search for it as an option or a solution for them. So my point is to show you this, like the comparison, because adult daycare has so much room for growth, but also you cannot bank on the Google, paid advertising to solve your marketing problem.